Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to change the background of your planner. If you are interested in this planner, it is on my TPT. Check it out. I'll do a link in the comments for you. But as you can see on my planner, it is got a picture of Edinburgh. I really liked Edinburgh, Scotland when I got to visit, so it's one of my happy places, so that's what I put in the background. And then on the next page, I've got Hogwarts in the background. So I want to show you how to change these backgrounds. If you decide you don't like Edinburgh or you don't like my Hogwarts room, that's totally fine. You can change it. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to background and then choose image. Now, you can either upload an image that you like maybe you went on a trip and you want to put that Edinburgh picture like I did. You can add by URL, like you found it online and you copy and paste the URL, you can do that. You can go from your personal photos and enter that in, or you can have one that's already in your Google Drive, or you can just search a random picture. So I'm just going to show you how to do a search of a random picture. So let's say I just want a farmhouse brick. So I enter that out. Oh, gotta be more specific, brick wall. And you can look and see oh, I don't really like that. So I might say just brick wall, change it up. You might have to kind of look around, see what you want. I'm just going to use the one that I used for the actual calendar days. And I did a white brick wall. I just Google searched it. These are all common. Click it, insert it, done. And now you've got just a brick wall. And you can add stuff, make it look cute. If you want to change this right here, I have it as a choose the month. I like the rainbow, so I thought it was cute. If you don't like that, that's totally fine. You can change that to choose the month and just use a text box. Or what I like to use is something called Text Draft. It's super cool. You just put in your text, add that there, and then copy and paste it back into your slides. If you decide, hey, I don't want to copy and paste it into my slides, totally fine. Don't do that. But just know that when you hit that choose the month and you change this image, you do have to relink it. So check out my video for relinking to make sure you've got it. All right. Have a great day.